Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. We'll be designing a fun summer necklace designed using Czech glass flowers and the gemstone beads. We have a couple beads that I claimed from the Softflex live sales. I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description so you can check out their fantastic live sales every Thursday. And then I'm using this little tassel that was part of the free gifts that they include in your Softflex Live orders. And then you'll just need a head pin and then beads of your choice. And of course, your tools. Let's start creating. And I'm always posting new content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Or bead. This bead was purchased from a local bead shop in Placerville, California, Artistic Beads and Studio, and I will leave a link down below for the products I'm using in this video, as well as this amethyst, beautiful amethyst 6mm rounds. These Czech glass were from the live sale, and these are from the Bead Obsession. So we are going to take our eye pin. And since our tassel has like a little loop on top, which is our jump ring, we can just attach it directly to our eye pin. If you don't have a tassel, you can make your own, or you can put beads on it, completely up to you. And then we're just going to close our little loop here on our eye pin and slide on our Czech flower. So we'll have our beautiful tassel. I'm just going to add one of these little purple beads on top. And then you're going to make a wrap loop. Or if you have a one-step looper, you can use that. And this is a wonderful tool. It makes your loops super quick. And I'm using the 1.5mm. We don't want it right on top of that first bead because if it's too close, it can cause the bead to chip. We're just going to give it a gentle squeeze. And we'll have our loop. I am using 20 inches of the purple amethyst, and this is the medium. Amethyst is part of the quartz family, along with smoky quartz, rose quartz, and citrine. And then I'm going to add one of the little purples and slide those on. What I like about the amethyst is it is kind of transparent, and using that purple amethyst Softflex, you can see how it really matches the color and it just shows through the bead. I'm going to add on my little Czech glass flowers. And what's nice about this necklace is it is using real gemstones, and sometimes you can get like a little rainbow inside of the amethyst. Just adds a really nice touch to your piece. So we have a finished necklace. We are just going to add on our 2x2s and a clasp of your choice. I'm using a lobster claw. So we're just going to slide on our 2x2 and our lobster claw. We're going to pass back through our 2x2, skipping that lobster claw. We want to give it a little bit of wiggle room so our clasp can move freely. We're just going to take our pliers, give it a little smash, and then we're just going to rotate for a more professional finish. We have a little bit of a tail, so depending on the next bead on our wire, sometimes it can tuck right inside the bead, and it acts as like a little bead stopper. So now we have a little bit of extra Softflex wire. I'm just going to slide all my beads down so I have a longer piece that I can use for an earring or another project. You always want to save your wires. You never know when you'll need them. So we'll save that for maybe an earring. And then we're just going to pick up our other 2x2. You can add a jump ring if you would like to. You can pass it back through so it has a loop, and that's where your lobster claw is going to connect. Or you can attach a jump ring, completely up to you. Since we have our loop, we'll just grab our pliers one last time, then round it. We have our beautiful necklace with amethyst beads and Czech glass flowers with our beautiful tassel and Czech glass brown beads. We have a few beads left over, so we might be able to make some earrings to match our beautiful necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and tutorials. Have a great day.